Ukumiswa ukudayiswa kwe-Econo Cement kulandela izikhalo ebezisuka kubathengi. Ibhodi ebhekele imikhiqizo ithola ukuthi losimende awuhambisani nemigomo ebekiwe yokuthi ungadayiswa. Yize ngakacaci ngezinye izifundazwe kodwa abake-NRCS bathi ubusotholakala eGauteng, Limpopo naKwaZulu-Natal.
The move to recall the product followed intensive investigations by the National Regulator for Compulsory Specifications, which included sampling and testing to ascertain the suitability of the cement to be offered for sale in South Africa. Econo Cement CEM V/A S-V 32.5 and has failed to meet minimum requirements for the prescribed strength as set out in the compulsory specification for cement.
Kuyalelwe nasebewuthengile ngenhloso yokudayisa noma yokusebenzisa ukuba bawubuyisele emuva.
All distributors in possession of Econo Cement CEM V/A 32.5N should return it to their suppliers and keep proof of such and inform the NRCS via the email info@nrcs.org.za.
Okwamanje azikho izigameko eziyingozi ezibikiwe ezibandakanya losimende.